Getting goods and services from suppliers to customers without problems is your main goal. But something seems to have gone wrong because here you are, and here's the rest of the team and a nice big stack of goods. But so far, the transport's nowhere to be seen. This is going to hold things up and cause problems for everyone. Luckily, paying attention to logistics can help you avoid problems like this in the future. It covers the coordination of things like transportation, warehousing, inventory management, packaging, and information flow. Think of supply chain logistics as your own personal assistant, whose job is to keep movement organized and on track. This course will teach you about the important role of logistics and how it's different to supply chain management. You'll find out more about the various logistics activities that most businesses use, and you'll develop skills in coordinating logistics across different teams.